you are, Ozzy. Well, here is the fire truck. But where is the fire station? Over there? Over there? Where?
You must be Joe.
Yes, I'm Joe. And this is Ozzy.
I'm Fiona, the firefighter.
Then this must be the fire station.
Yes.
Ozzy, wait here. We got deliveries to make. Look at the fire truck.
Yes, it's the fire station. Today is my first day at work. Oh, and this is my nephew, Noah, and my niece, Lottie.
Hello, Noah.
Hello.
Hello, Lottie.
Hello.
They've come to wish me luck. I'm very excited. Now, all I need is my uniform.
Yes, uniform. I have a delivery for you. Wait here. Your new uniform.
Oh, thank you, Joe. It's very smart.
You can wear it when you're putting out the hot fires.
Let's love sign. Hot. Hot. You sign. Hot. Good. Hot.
Well, I'm going to put on my uniform. You can wait here by the fire engine.
Oh, wait. Your helmet.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. You hold this one too.
Oh, Joe. Joe. We need to fix the hose. The hose has water, and we need water to fight fire.
Ah, water? My second delivery. Wait here.
Let's love sign. Water. Water. You sign. Water. Good. Water.
Water.
That's not enough.
Look at this.
pumps lots and lots of water.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy,
Day. Joe, you're all wet.
Yes.
You need a new uniform.
Yes.
Let's love sign. Wet. Wet. You sign. Wet. Good. Wet.
Wow, you look like real firefighters now.
Well, we're not real firefighters until we go on the truck.
Hands up.
Get the window box.
Hands up. Hands up.
Now for my third delivery. Tea. After a hard day at work, it's time for a nice cup of tea.
Ah, great idea. I'll put the kettle on. Yes, good point. We have to be careful when we put the kettle on because the water in the kettle is hot.
Yes, we have to be careful. Well, it's been fun being a firefighter for today, but now it's time to go to the Dizzy Deliveries depot. Bye.
Thanks, Joe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.